Ayton Global Research are a consumer research company, and we're based in the UK, but we do work on a global scale with over 500,000 volunteers.
Ayton Global Research are fully compliant with the GDPR. We have reviewed our policies, procedures and systems to ensure that we are fully effective and compliant in these regions. Our clients across the globe have different requirements for data protection matters, and we ensure that all of them are met and that their requirements are continually delivered.
We have an ISO 9001:2015. This looks at customer focus, it looks at leadership and management, the engagement of our employees.
It is absolutely essential if you're making any claim about your product to have some consumer research data to substantiate that claim. Even if there's scientific data, you need to be able to prove that the consumer can perceive the claim with the naked eye. To legally substantiate a claim, you need to make sure you're using an independent testing house. You can't use internal research to substantiate any claims for advertising because the data needs to be unbiased. Claims that you might find in a consumer study are to do with what the consumer can perceive with their naked eye. So it might be something along the lines of, I feel like I look 10 years younger. It could also be something along the lines of, my hair is the silkiest, softest it's ever felt. For baby care, my baby's nappy rash is improved by using this product. Or it could be for all skin types. The benefits of conducting a consumer study with a volunteer using it in their own home is they're going to use the product exactly how they're supposed to be using it, giving you real data that's very valid. The marketing benefits of conducting a consumer research study is you can get some fantastic claims about your product that you wouldn't necessarily achieve just by looking at the raw ingredients or the scientific evidence. For example, I would buy this product. If you have 90% of volunteers agree with that claim, you're going to sell more products.
Everything's become much more complex in terms of making claims that go on television and radio and in any kind of broadcast media. And in particular, we've now got to consider vloggers, bloggers and celebrity endorsements. And one of the issues is that all of those people have to state what their remuneration is for what they are saying about the product, unless the evidence comes from independent research, from consumer studies such as we conduct.